Retire like a genius.
How to become a long-term care genius. How to know when it's time for long-term care. Most people avoid discussing the topic of long-term care and don't plan for it. And many will fail to recognize the signs that long-term care is now needed when the time has come. People tend to be in denial when it comes to the potential for long-term care supports and services either for themselves or a loved one. So be on the lookout for clues that a loved one can be giving if you're spotting deterioration in any of these three areas. 1. Physical deterioration. Look for rapid weight loss, loss of mobility, loss of strength or endurance, and signs of injury such as bruises or lacerations. 2. Cognitive deterioration. Look for loss of memory, signs of confusion, frustration, and outbursts, mixing up timelines, and mixing up people. 3. Environmental deterioration. Look for signs that the home is messy and disheveled, that there's signs of damage around the home, or items are strangely out of place around the home which once was well kept and well organized. As loss of ADLs start happening, some people may not even realize it's happening to them or a loved one. What are ADLs? There are 5 key activities of daily living that if a person is unable to do independently, it's a sure sign that the need for long-term care has arrived. The 5 ADLs are showering and bathing, dressing, toileting, eating, and mobility. People often find themselves in the position that they have become a caregiver without even realizing it. They fail to recognize that the need for professional long-term care has arrived, and sometimes a loved one is hiding the reality from their family. Recognizing the signs that someone needs care and that family members may have become care providers themselves will ensure that everyone's needs are being met.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.